So I have not seen any videos of Circuit Performance wheels. These are CP21, 18 by 9.5, offset is 20. This is my bowl pattern, 5 by 4.5. These are Circuit Performance wheels. I found them online. These are kind of similar to a lot of XXR, and of course they're replicas of CCW, however you want to see it. These were $146 a piece. So I think it's pretty good. I opened one already. I just wanted to share this with you, so hopefully somebody find this helpful before they make a decision of buying these. All right, so let's take a look to see what we got. Packaging is good. You know, pretty much all the wheel companies are making the same packaging lately. So check this out. There it is. All right, so these are your CP21 wheels. So if you look at these wheels, I mean, the lip is a substantial amount of lip, but you can also get 18 by 11 if you're looking for a deeper look to this. Right now, I just went with 18 9.5 all the way around. But keep in mind, if you're running staggered, you do have to spend a little bit more money buying the tires that will go with it. I mean, of course, you already know that. The rivets itself looks nice. Of course, they're fake. And the lip itself is really nice. I like the look of it. Hopefully, they'll be mounted soon, and I'll post a video of what it looks like. So, basically, I mean, of course, it's made in China. As far as the durability goes, I'm not sure until I run it for a little bit. It's lightweight. It's not very heavy. Honestly, it's not heavy. And this is a step lip, of course. Let's measure the step lip and let's find out. Let's find out where we are with the step lip. So, if we're going to go from inside, it's 2. I would say it's 2. I think the website says 3, but I don't think it's 3. It's 2. I could be wrong. I'll leave a link below for the website so you guys can take a look at that. I'll post a video soon with them mounted in my Genesis.